Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of -9.77%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -1.40% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 26.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 26.79% to 72.98%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of around 21.55%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 1.12% and 119.53% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $297.23 and $645.29. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "A very red day for Tesla stock price after a decline of 6.7% in the Monday trading session." The Tesla stock price fell by 6.7% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of July, 2025. Dropping from $315.05 to $293.94. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.58%, with a low of $288.71 and a high of $296.15. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.76% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, with 74 million shares exchanged, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 130 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $38.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $182. Currently, the stock price stands at 39.83%, $194.60, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock is currently experiencing notable pressure, down 7.4%, as major U.S. equity indexes also decline. This downturn follows CEO Elon Musk's announcement of his return to politics and the establishment of a new political party, which many investors perceive as a distraction from his responsibilities at Tesla. Such uncertainty regarding Musk's focus could significantly impact investor sentiment, especially in a challenging competitive landscape where Tesla's market share is being diminished by new entrants, including a startup backed by Jeff Bezos. Furthermore, Tesla's vehicle deliveries are falling short of expectations, raising concerns about sales momentum. Goldman Sachs has recently increased its price target for Tesla, but maintained a neutral rating after reporting a decline in quarterly deliveries, indicating skepticism about Tesla's immediate growth potential. The stock is also under investigation by legal firms concerning potential claims on behalf of investors, which could exacerbate selling pressure in the short term. In the long run, the volatility of Tesla's stock may present a buying opportunity if the company can regain focus and capitalize on promising developments in areas such as the Cybertruck and autonomous driving technology. Analysts have varying forecasts, with one prediction estimating a rebound, targeting around $550 per share if key growth drivers materialize. However, the ongoing concerns surrounding Musk and Tesla's competitive positioning continue to create a turbulent environment for investors. Analyst ratings on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025. It was reported that William Blair assigned Tesla a market perform rating along with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Benchmark reported giving Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, UBS reported assigning Tesla a sell rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, Piper Sandler reported giving Tesla an overweight rating with a downgrade action. On the same day, Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, Wedbush reported assigning Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. The Tesla stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is noted from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $313.20 and $329.18. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 28 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 101 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $284.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk level is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $7.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.58%. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.20%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 430 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $295.14. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock option. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Zhu Xiaotong sold another 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 6,538 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also purchased 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 51.781. Overall, insiders purchased 1,117,872 shares and sold 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a recent upward trend, we anticipate that Tesla will exhibit weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of July, we expect Tesla to open lower by $1.01, starting at $292.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.